In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send daily bulk emails using Systeme.io. This all-in-one marketing platform is designed to simplify your email marketing efforts with a variety of useful features. So whether you're sharing updates, promotions, or announcements, you'll have the tools you need right at your fingertips. Let's start with preparing your email content. A compelling subject line is crucial for your open rates. Aim for clarity, brevity, and engagement to capture your audience's attention straight away. As you craft the body of your email, focus on delivering value to your readers, ensuring that it includes a clear call to action. Personalization is also key, and Systeme.io allows you to use personalization tokens, such as inserting a first name, to make each email feel more tailored to the recipient. Additionally, keep in mind that most people check their emails on their mobile devices, so double-check that your email looks great on smaller screens. Now, onto creating your email campaign or newsletter. Systeme.io provides two primary methods for sending emails: newsletters and email campaigns. Newsletters are perfect for one-off broadcasts, offering an ideal way to manage daily communications like updates or promotions. On the other hand, email campaigns are automated sequences triggered by specific actions, such as someone signing up for a lead magnet. For sending bulk emails on a daily basis, you would likely utilize daily newsletters or incorporate these into an existing campaign to ensure consistency. To create a newsletter for daily broadcasts, navigate to Emails and then Newsletters within your Systeme.io dashboard. Click on the Create a Newsletter button, fill in the subject line, and decide between using the Visual Editor, which is user-friendly with its drag-and-drop interface, or the Classic Editor based on your preference. Enter your sender name and email, draft your email content in the chosen editor, and then remember to hit Save once you're satisfied. Choosing the right recipients for your newsletter is crucial. You have the flexibility of sending your email to all contacts or targeting specific tags. This segmentation is highly recommended for tailoring your content to the interests of different audience groups, whether they're tagged for daily tips or have expressed interest in a particular product. Equally, you can exclude certain tags to refine your audience further. With your newsletter created and recipient selected, you're ready to either send it immediately or schedule its delivery. Although Systeme.io doesn't offer a built-in feature for automatic daily recurring newsletters, you can manage this manually by creating and scheduling a new newsletter each day at your chosen time. To streamline the process, consider duplicating previous emails to save time on formatting. Don't forget to monitor your newsletter's performance using Systeme.io analytics. After sending, you can review data on open rates, click rates, unsubscribe rates, and how many marked your email as spam by navigating back to Emails and Newsletters, where you can easily gather insights to improve future communications. Adhering to best practices is the key to successful daily bulk emailing. Audience segmentation is crucial. Avoid sending identical content to everyone each day. Ensure every email offers tangible value, be it informative, entertaining, or an exclusive offer, and remain consistent with your emailing schedule if daily emails are promised. A/B testing different elements of your emails will help refine your approach. Regularly monitor engagement rates and maintain a clean email list by removing inactive subscribers to ensure optimum deliverability. And importantly, stay compliant with anti-spam regulations by always including a clear unsubscribe link. In practice, let's imagine you run a fitness blog with a focus on daily workout tips. Start by tagging subscribers interested in this topic, create valuable content each day, and schedule your emails to go out consistently. Over time, with careful management, you'll foster a dedicated audience looking forward to your insights each morning.